Hello and welcome to CentraComm Insights. I'm Susan Sheeter, and today I'm joined with Paul Shammas. He is an enterprise client executive and sales engineer with CentraComm. Welcome, Paul.
Hi, Susan.
Paul, let's talk about cloud computing and all the essential things an organization should consider before going to cloud computing.
Organizations should know that data integrity in cloud computing. It's a measure to ensure that integrity, like the data, is accurate, complete, and reliable. One of those things that is key to any organization's success is compliance, ensuring that proper rules and regulations are followed while implementing the structure. Loss of data. Organizations should know about the provisions that are provided in the case of a loss of data so that backup and recovery can be possible. Business continuity plans. What does your business continuity plan look like, and what's it going to look like when it's in the cloud? We need to ensure that that plan ensures that uninterrupted data access is provided for your organization. That then leads us into uptime. Organizations should know about the uptime the cloud computing platform provides and how helpful it is for the business. And of course, cost. Data storage cost is key to understanding what your overall cost is going to be for your cloud computing platform.
Great. So now, why should an organization make this change?
This is arguably the most essential question to ask first. Your answers will make it a strong case for doing something different and show the true business value that can be achieved by this change.
Okay, so what does an organization have to gain by migrating to the cloud?
As you're answering this question, think about the capability gaps you look to fill with cloud computing. Is your organization looking to boost employee productivity by making information easier to access anywhere? Or is your organization trying to increase the scale and power of your IT capabilities? Whatever the reason, make sure to outline the why of your pitch and how it fits into your organization's strategic plan.
Okay, Paul, so what is the ideal end state?
To answer this question, Susan, you have to think about the overall digital experience you hope to have and what your stakeholders are looking forward to with this new cloud capability.
Okay, so now that an organization has decided to do this change, how can they make the change?
Now you've identified why you need a change. Now it's time to explore how you'll actually do it. Understanding the product, the information for the technical details can be very important here. But you also want to offer up more context to how you'll support successful change for your organization.
Okay, so what does a successful cloud migration look like?
This question helps you map out your company's vision for transition. You'll want to identify key stakeholders, which applications you're moving to the cloud, how much of your data and applications you're moving to the cloud, and how you'll navigate security concerns and any outstanding needs for your IT team.
Okay, so now what are the realistic timelines when making a change to the cloud?
You'll need to level set timing expectations. Depending on the complexity of your environments and the project at hand, a migration can take anywhere from weeks to months. So you'll need to prepare your team for any disruptions and make sure your cloud migration doesn't happen during a peak season for your business.
Okay, so now who could help an organization make this change?
You have a roadmap for why and how the cloud will help your business successfully make a change. Now, you need to identify who will help you make that change. You can better understand who to engage in the cloud migration process by asking this one question. What does our team's technical expertise look like in-house? It's important to understand what your team's technical expertise is. This includes gaining a better understanding of what skill sets are needed to execute a successful cloud migration. Asking this question early on will help you decide whether including a managed services provider like CentraComm to train or help with the migration transition process is going to be necessary, or if you can do it all in-house instead. CentraComm can help you by providing a cloud assessment to ensure that you're on your way to a successful cloud migration.
Great, Paul. Thank you so much for all this great information today. There's a lot to consider when moving to the cloud, so we really appreciate your time.
For your time as well, Susan.
Okay, so if you would like more information or would like a cloud assessment for your organization, please visit us at centracom.net and select the Connect with CentraComm link. Thanks so much and have a great day.